Bro, I'm back.
About time. I felt lonely over here.
I'm sorry, I had to go eat dinner. My parents were gonna bitch at me if I didn't go down and eat dinner with them.
I see what you mean by my background, by the way. I just now noticed this. I just now noticed what was actually on the bed. I don't care. I still like it. It's still a good background.
That was the first fucking thing I noticed. It was like, oh my god, bro.
I'm like, oh, that's pretty.
And now that you tell me that you just now noticed it, is making it even better.
Yeah. Hey, there you at.
Ah, my vape.
Ah, my non-vape. Gosh darn it.
Oh, sorry, man. I didn't mean to blow that in your face. Here. Let me do it again.
My non-boomer lungs.
My lungs.
Have you heard about 800 cats?
Wait, who's gay in here?
Who's talking about microwave? I am gay. Gay and proud.
Smiley.
That's great.
Good night. I said your cats are wonderful.
They are. I love them. I agree. Me and Butch think that's funny.
I knew you had 300.
Do you stream and do you have cat ear headphones?
I have only
No,
one.
I
I have only
didn't
one.
either.
He does, for sure. I know he does.
Fuck yeah, I do.
Everybody go nice. Okay, just making sure.
I have a quick one.
You know how badass they are? The Kraken here. The Kraken here.
Do you
fucking cat
everybody come
ears.
down? Do you castrate your cat?
Dude, the cat ears pretty much give you hacks.
Guys, I'm here for gunshot.
Exactly.
Warm up.
Let's play a little game. It's called Let Mixers and go pick up his ass.
See, look at that. Triple kill.
Anything
What
cat
the
ears is a
glue?
red flag, boys. Anything cat ears, red flag.
Count, and there's not enough knives up there.
Holy shit.
Dude, what happened to my AWP?
Bro, did you drop your op?
Yeah, dude, it took it away after warm-up ended.
What the fuck, bro? That's fucked up.
Damn.
Jeez, I just see a man walk right in front of me. I'm like, I gotta shoot.
There's plenty
Stand at the
A
right.
guys.
Zero.
What's the fuck with my phone?
Hey, that's pretty good. Ooh. By the way, I like your crosshairs, my dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Going towards the.
It's good. They're good, aren't they?
I'm like still trying to get used to them, but like I like them.
For the win, boys.
It helps with that first shot, though. Definitely helps with that first shot. I can see how you get them dinks real fast.
Yeah, once you get used to it, once you're able to, once you get used to them and you're able to flick on people, they're so much better.
I'd go and have some fun with the Mac 10 because well, why not?
There's gonna be someone around this corner. Watch.
There's my Michael Charlie Brown.
I fucking called it.
Dog shite.
Dog shite. Do we even say that anymore?
Sorry.
It's so loud.
Oh, he has a negative.
You know the secret of holding B side? You just spy music noise.
He's good with the negative too. What the fuck?
Tell me the secret.
I'll show you.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Oh, don't go to bed, Owl. You're good.
Can we just talk about how this is step bro in this game?
My friend, tell me the secret.
I'll show you the secret.
Tell me the
Are you gonna buy an
secret.
auto shot?
What the actual heck am I listening to?
Just fucking nonsense, bro.
I could tell.
You got bomb. You got bomb. Don't peek. Don't peek. You got bomb. A's fucking clear. Everyone's stacked B.
No, it ain't.
I like how you say that, my dad. Stack B. Oh, wow, he got me quick with that one.
Dude, shut up.
Connector, connector.
I already muted him. It's not even worth it.
Oh, it's just
He's
us.
never gonna say anything actually useful.
I like that beanie, boy.
A. B. Yo, nice hack, Smiley. Like that aimbot. The best aimbot on the planet. What can you do about it?
You didn't tell me the secret. I died.
He's gonna get exploded. He's lagging,
Hi, Moose. Do I know you?
Yo, suck my dick, you dumb bitch.
Why are you trying to kick father?
Oh god, you're a dumb bitch.
I'm not even going to like question what's going on on their side. Hey, I got an achievement. That's very good.
Where's bomb? We can plan B.
I was gonna say, it's full embarrassment that he's killing you guys with a P90.
That's how he gets a limb.
Anyone want up?
There's an op on the ground.
I love you.
Please, someone take it.
I saw someone take it. But yeah, I'm liking the crosshairs. I got 2 kills that round. That's nice. Yeah, all I see is on my second monitor is you get flashed. That was pretty hilarious. I'm like, why is my second monitor all white?
All white.
I'm like, Toxic, get the jizz off your monitor. I'm like, wait, that's my monitor. Get it off your camera.
Oh, how was that? I was gonna try to watch her.
And he got me with the back end again.
You said what? You said what?
At least you killed him.
Oh, is counter-terrorist actually gonna get that first round?
This ain't it.
I hope so.
I like how Owl was joining counter-terrorists after joining spectators.
Depends if your jihad succeeds. Oh, we saw him.
Just
Holy
jihad.
shit!
I love that.
The terrorists. They always do jihads.
Just never
You
heard someone
failed us,
refer to
Techno.
terrorists as John.
Techno.
That's a good
Jihad,
run. What I say? Come back now.
in the kitchen.
Jihad is a moral way to.
I'm feeling sneaky. If I die, Toxic, take my gun, okay?
Alright. Since we're winning, we should all just sit up here. We should all just sit up right here. Just all just chill here. Just chill here.
Wait, where?
Guys, come back. Let's all just chill here and see what they do. Don't push. Or fuck everyone that went A. We're all chilling here at B. Don't push. Or not. You guys are no fun. You guys don't like content. I see you.
I like content.
There's one coming behind us. He's running.
Hey, that's pretty good. I got kills that round. More than 2.
Alright, can we at least get some content going over the Ivy and just waiting there to see what happens?
That's where all the enemies were. They stole your plan.
Hide in the shower. Those going to A, don't
All
go.
of you
Fat
to
boy,
assume
don't
I know
go.
what IV is.
Just chill here. Or not, or everyone go A. Ah! Sorry, Owl.
I love her teammates pushing Ivy every single round. Like, why are they doing that? Oh,
For the flank.
They just want to drop the soap.
they literally are not even like holding sites, they're just flanking. It's hilarious.
And I like how they push the shotgun user after one dies.
I don't even know there was shotgun until I was pretty
Yeah.
different.
What can you say? Hey.
Huh?
I just want to say I like your knife. I also have an ultraviolet.
Yo, do you?
I
For
have a Bowie.
Man,
oh, you have a Bowie ultraviolet?
I can hear that gamer girl on your end.
That's what's up. How much is your knife worth?
May work.
I think 140. How much is yours?
No, mine's like 550.
Oh.
That's probably because it's the butterfly.
She really said, oh.
Huh?
Where is it?
Did you actually earn that one?
Huh? In my inventory?
I bought it if my curses met me.
Oh, interesting.
I can
there's
show you the
one of
skins
IVs?
that I got given.
Yeah, I was given mine. My butterfly knife. Someone gave it to me for free. Which I'm very grateful for.
They're never
It's
going.
an inch of a straw sticker, so I have to make a straw scrap for it.
Whoa, fuck.
Uh-oh.
It's Straws are the best team, by the way.
I want the shotty.
Good round. Even though I died at the start.
Yeah, she actually does have an ultraviolet Bowie.
Can we do a Gev only next round?
You're all gonna get fucked, Ivy, by the way.
Good.
Are we going to do shower strat again?
No.
Oh. Oh, hello. There's a guy on top of the train. I'm just gonna plant. What the hell happened over here?
He was fucking. Oh, she was a.
Oh, that's a nice gun. I have Owl's firebomb.
Molly.
Yeah.
Don't worry, bro. It's not your day. Don't worry.
Did he just say what I think he heard? Said?
Did you almost just say nice cock?
Yeah. You always gotta compliment the chicken.
Well, I'm not legal, so.
I'll join T side. On T side you can maybe as young as 3 months old.
Good thing I'm almost 18, huh?